Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to present my presentation. But before I start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Salsa Dira Febrianti. My presentation is talk about coherence. What is coherence? Coherence in writing is the logical bridge between words, sentences, and paragraphs. Coherent writing uses devices to connect ideas within each sentence and paragraph. Main ideas and meaning can be difficult for the reader to follow if the writing lacks coherence. Coherence between words. Between each word, coherence can be created by parallelism. Parallel structure means using similar grammatical construction between words in sentences. Parallelism is particularly important for words in lists. If you are writing a list of things someone likes to do, then its activity in the list should take the same grammatical form. For instance, if one verb in the list takes one on the in gerund form, like running, then the other verbs in the list should also be in the gerund form. For example, Sarah likes jumping, running, and skating. Coherence between sentences. Coherence can be created between sentences through repetition and transitional devices. Repetition of words across sentences helps to refer the same ideas between sentences. One way to use repetition to create coherence is to repeat the same word or phrase at the end of one sentence and the beginning of the next sentence to show how the ideas connect. For example, the most important part of an essay is the thesis statement. The thesis statement introduces the argument of the essay. The thesis statement also helps to create a structure for the essay. Coherence between paragraphs. The structure of a coherent paragraph includes a topic sentence, which focuses on the main idea. The topic sentence usually comes first in a paragraph. The topic sentence is followed by supporting sentences that develop the idea, and finally a concluding sentence to tie it all together. Transitional words then bridge the gap between paragraphs, and the structure starts anew with another topic sentence for the next paragraph. Here is the example of coherence. There are poor coherence and strong coherence. There are two types of coherence. The first one is local level coherent text. In this type of text, coherence occurs within small portion of a passage or a text. And the second one is global level coherent text. In this type of text, coherence takes place within the whole text of a story or essay, rather than in its few parts. The function of coherence. Coherence links the sentences of a work with one another. This may be done with paragraphs, making sure that each statement logically connects with the one preceding it, making the text easier for the reader to understand and follow. Also, ordering through in a sequence helps the reader to move from one point to the next slowly, as all of the sentences relate back to the topic, the thought and ideas flow smoothly. I think that's all from me. I would like to apologize if there is any mistake, and I hope what I have shared will be beneficial for all of us. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.